Hi guys, so today is November 15th. But before we go to the question, we want to give you guys some shout-outs.
Shout out ko po yung mga nag-like at nag-subscribe ng aming channels. Christy San Juan, John Ray Bayer, and check out her channel, Stacy House. She's one of our friends here in America. And Jonah B. Yankin and Siblis Vlog. Sa mga nagko-comment po ng mga videos namin at nagbibigay ng suggestions, John Kears, Christian Mesa, Tugboat. I think it's Tugboat.
I think it is Tugboat Rocks.
Flordelis Lazaredo.
Becky Pettifor.
Yes. Yulisa, subscribe to her channel. Kane Vanderwyk. Yeah. Maxime Kalinin, Jean Martin. Okay, at sa aming mga Firebrand Girls members, Jane Abelis, Joy Abelis, Kendra Rosales, Katie Janelle, Little Girl Krisha, Lorjan Parad, and Josephine Lumawag. We miss you girls and hope to see you soon. Keep on doing videos for our channel.
Yes.
Anyways, at sa mga lahat ng nag-subscribe, maraming salamat po. And hope you continue to like our videos, watch our videos, at sana po nag-i-enjoy kayo sa aming mga videos.
Yay!
Okay, we're gonna go on to our question for today.
Okay, the question today is, if we did not have a phone, how would your life be different? Well, first of all, I'm not on my phone very much, and that's why I'm terrible at replying to you guys, and that's why replies come out late, so I'm very sorry about that. But I'm not in my phone very much. So I guess if I didn't have my phone, I wouldn't have the international friends and just the nationwide friends that I have in my Snapchat and Instagram. I guess that's how it would be different. But other than that, it's like my life really wouldn't change.
Okay. For me, first of all, I won't be receiving those telemarketer calls because they are so annoying. They always palaging tumatawag and they wanna sell something to you. And sometimes mga kumpanya ng credit card. Like, that's one thing. That would be good. That's a good difference. When we don't have the phone, we have the computer, but we do like Yahoo Messenger. Natatandaan nyo pa Yahoo Messenger. We don't have the instant messenger like at Facebook right now. So, that I have to, yung mga walang internet before sa Philippines, you have to go to the internet cafe. But right now, most of sa Pilipinas may Wi-Fi, or you can buy load para sa inyong cellphone, so you can do texting, instant messenger from your phone. Most people yung ginagamit yung instant messenger from Facebook. Right now, it's making a difference because like yung asawa ko nasa ibang bansa, tapos we're here in America. It is actually convenient that we have the phone through texting, so kahit na like pumupunta kami sa labas and he's online, we already know kung magte-text siya, nare-receive ka agad namin, kaya alam namin na nag-online siya. So we actually be able to talk, instantly. Like, unlike before, we have to actually set a time kung kailan kami mag-uusap sa Yahoo Messenger because we have to be in the computer. So, well, here, dito sa Amerika, okay pa rin yung landline nila. So, they still have landline here. So, the calling thing is, I guess, is not that different. I'm sure na marami kayong changes if you don't have phone in the Philippines because that's like a convenient way, especially if you have business.
Right.
The employer that I had, I was babysitting for somebody. Ano bang binili na?
Wait.
Iniwan niya yung cellphone na 3210 dahil nagkasakit yung anak niya and they have to take it to the hospital. So, iniwan niya yung cellphone to be able to communicate with us in the house while they're in the hospital. And I didn't know how to use it. So, I have our other neighbor, siya yung nag-hold ng cellphone. And actually, she keeps texting blank thing to my employer, and I got scolded. Pinagalitan ako kasi ang mahal kaya ng text dati. It's like 10 pesos a text or something. And that phone before, it's like 15,000 pesos. That's like the first time that yung phone na yun lumabas. Kaya
wow.
So that's the difference rin kaya sa dati ngayon. I mean, it doesn't change my life, but
right, but you've got the story
but
to
that's
tell.
that's a good experience.
So like, if you don't have a phone, how would your life be different? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to give us a thumbs up. Of course, share any of our contents in all your social media outlets. It is greatly appreciated. And of course, don't forget to follow us on Rumble. A lot of people are heading over there.
Girls.